hear me because it's really loud in here, but Kenya graduation! Looking cute or whatever, meal. While it's quiet, if you didn't hear us in the other room, so we made it to Kris's graduation. We came from Lanston, but we're so excited that Kris completed a 8 weeks of coming to Alpha, and this is just their celebration. They get a award for it. If you haven't seen our other sister's graduation, which is Jacinta, we'll leave a tag up here. Click the video up here and go check that video out. Your girl Kris is graduating.
This is the second time she's graduating on our vlogs. She graduated school and now she's graduating in Alpha. The Alpha course. And to the fans.
Just hold the nose on. Nah, I'll say later.
Let's go.
Alright, on behalf of the Alpha team, I really want to welcome all of you here tonight. It is a special night. We call it the Alpha Party because it's the opportunity for us to celebrate all those who the last 8 weeks have gone through the Alpha course, which I'm hoping you guys have enjoyed.
Let's
I'll take coffee.
Yeah, awesome. Come on. Itself does not exist on its own. Alpha is actually part of Lifehouse Church. So here we're actually a church that meets here every Sunday. We've got youth on the Friday, all that sort of stuff. But we don't exist for people just to come to Alpha because our heartbeat.
The next day.
What's up, TNS family? It's your girl Sera. Tuxx is here, but he's gone to drop the car off at the car park thingamajiggy. But anyways, we're here at Crown for my nephew's 2nd birthday. Happy birthday, Lenny. I love you so much. Your auntie and uncle just adore you. Don't worry about this lash right here coming apart. But anyways, yeah, we're here. We're gonna go in. Dad, is it nice in there? Okay, we're gonna go in. For my nephew's birthday, And I was literally on a call to this person just to rock up. And my sister's here. Show your outfit. So he called me today because he was saying that his shirt was a bit tight. It's a bit tight on the stomach.
Get off here.
Okay, honey, what did you get?
Got some, I think they're pork ribs, some prawns, made my own Caesar salad here, some lemon, some risotto on the side.
Dig in. Watch out your food. Oh, good lighting. Team lighting. I am absolutely loving. Swallow it. Okay, so Lanston, he's eating rice.
A few moments later.
Look at his face, Mom. What is this? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lanston. Happy birthday to you. Manuia lo asomana. Manuia lo asomana. Manuia lo asomana. Manuia What is it, baby? Bye. Bye. Okay fans, so if you've never been to this place is based, like, it's kind of like opposite of Crown, but I'm pretty sure it's still together. The place is called Mesh Lunch and Dinner Buffet. And if you haven't been here, make sure you bring your family here. It is a bit pricey. I will put the price right here. So I don't know exactly how much it is, so this is the pricing. But their food is like legit, really like fancy. another one that we know. We found our sister, our long lost sister.
Yes.
Guys, she's single. Hit her up.
No, we actually have my engagement party. My engagement.
Her engagement.
To about 5 people.
Hit her up in the comment section. Okay fam, so we've come to the end of this vlog. We hope you guys have enjoyed it. You know, we have a little flashback of when Lanston just turned 1 and we had this major party for him. This is his second. We wanted to keep it intimate, just our family and our in-laws, and yeah.
So fam, thank you very much for coming through and watching. If you made it this far in this vlog and you haven't subscribed yet, please go down to the red button, subscribe right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Guys, you have never seen Bote's brother in any of our vlogs, but this is Bote's younger brother. But yeah, tell him, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Fam, I had to bring you back because there was no elevator. The stairs are locked. And see, lucky your boy's been doing some functional fitness. I walked up 5 levels, like nothing, and here I am.